Hello there. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. And those of you that have been watching all my video all over the world, thank you so much. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Today, we're not going to sew. I'm going to talk to you about the blouse. I'm making short sleeves, but I won't start sewing it till next week. Okay, and I've cut all my pieces already. Back facing, the sleeves, the back. I'm using cotton fabric, very light. It looks like BTs. It's a lace fabric and it looks like BTs, but it's not BTs. Cotton, 100%. And I'll show you what I do with it when I switch fabrics around. Okay, sometimes you have to experiment. You don't always have to go exactly with all the fabric suggestion that they give you. Sometimes you have to experiment, okay? So, and this is the front. And you have to cut on a bias. You see the green line? You have to cut it on a bias. Excuse me. And last week I said I was going to show you a different way of putting the zipper, and I didn't show you because of time. But today I have it, so I'm going to show it to you in a muslin. Okay? This is the beginning of it, starting of it. Okay, you see how I started it with? After I joined the facing, I stitched the seam, the zipper seam allowance exactly. And then when you flip it to the wrong side, see how it looks? So this is step one. And this is step, excuse me, step two. And I'm also showing you in a different way of finishing the waistband. See, you fold the seam allowance under, and then you stitch from the right hand side in the ditch. And then there's another way too, by just serging the edge or doing your zigzag. I don't know what's going on. Excuse me, your zigzag or your serger, and then stitching at the right side in the ditch. And this is the finish. This is the finished product. Or I should say the skirt. There we go. There. So again, this is the starting of it. And this is the second method of finishing the waistband. And then sewing in the ditch at the right hand side. And this is the finishing zipper. Okay, see how it's finished? The edge, I stitch the seam allowance exactly close, okay, on both sides. So that's done. Now, today, Nana's channel is a year old today. That's why I'm all dressed up. Just to say thank you and wish you Merry Christmas too. Or happy holidays. Thank you so much, my subscribers. Thank you, everybody that has been watching my video all over the world. Obviously, I can't call all the names of the countries, but I'll say a couple of them. I know Canada, Africa, Russia, UK, the islands, Jamaica islands, and somewhere else too. Yeah, Russia and Russia. Thank you so much. And those of you that have been watching by not subscribing, what are you waiting for? It's time. From now up to June, let's try to get 1,000 subscribers. But other than that, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Makes me realize that I'm on the right path and you guys are learning from what I'm teaching. So thank you. I really do appreciate it, and I love you guys all. You are my family that I'm teaching. So thank you so much. This will be the end of the video, and as I said, next week we'll be starting to sew this cow neck blouse. Okay, so have a happy holiday, Merry Christmas wherever you are, and God bless, and bye for now. So I'll see you after Christmas, maybe before New Year or after New Year, I don't know yet. But anyway, have a happy Christmas. Bye. Thank you.